In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade CFDs on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone CFDs platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to your watch list and find the CFD instrument that you want to trade. This could be an index, commodity, share CFD, or another available market, depending on what is offered in your account. After you have chosen your instrument, double-click on it to open its chart. The chart will give you a closer view of the current market movement. Take a moment to review the current price and look at the recent price action on the chart. This helps you confirm that you are selecting the right market and gives you a quick overview before placing your trade. When you are ready to continue, click New Order on the top toolbar. You can also right-click anywhere on the chart and select Place New Order. Both options will open the order window for the instrument you selected. In the order window, first confirm that the correct CFD instrument is displayed. This is important, especially if you have several charts or markets open at the same time. Next, enter the quantity for your trade. This determines the size of your position, so make sure it matches the amount you intend to trade. You can then choose to set a stop loss and a take profit. These are optional, but they can help you manage risk and define your target level before the trade is placed. Enter the price levels that fit your trading plan if you want to use them. Now decide the direction of your trade. Click Buy if you expect the CFD price to rise. Click Sell if you expect the CFD price to fall. As soon as you click the appropriate button, the platform will send your order for execution. Wait for the order to be processed. Once the trade is executed, go to the Trade section and look under the Positions tab. There, you should see your open CFD trade listed. This confirms that your position is now active and being tracked by the platform. That is how to place a CFD trade on Pepperstone using CFDs. Follow these steps carefully each time you trade so you can place orders accurately and review them properly inside the platform. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.